Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. We got another unboxing video today, or unpackaging video. It's from K20Customs on Etsy. He also has a TikTok and a Instagram page. He makes custom patches. So I ended up getting some made for me and my kids because I thought they were pretty cool. He makes custom Power Ranger patches. So I decided to get some for the kids' vests and decided to get one for my vest to kind of help match the kids and everything. So we ended up getting a few made. One in particular that I was looking at getting, I saw he had done some for Jason David Frank, the original Green Ranger. He had done some for their promotion for Legend of the White Dragon, and he had did some patches for him that Jason Frank was doing for giveaways and stuff like that. So I asked him if he made like a Lord Draken. For those that don't know, Lord Draken comes in the comics that just came out again. That deals with like kind of alternate timelines and stuff like that, and it's basically an evil Tommy that gets both the power of the Green Ranger and the White Ranger combined. And the suit and the helmet are pretty awesome. So I was hoping that he was doing stuff like that, but when I messaged him, he wasn't quite doing it yet. It was kind of in the works, and he said he would get a hold of me when they would drop. So he got a hold of me, and I made my order. I got some for the kids, had them pick some out, so we'll dive right into this and check it out. So first off, we got this little promotional scanning code. Got a few K20 custom stickers. Got about 3 of those in there. Then we got 2 K20 custom cards, or business cards. Alright, and then we'll dive into the patches. So my son likes the color green, just like me, so obviously his first pick was the Green Ranger, and he also found that there were some other Green Rangers that this guy had done, and so he decided to get this one. And I believe this is the Dino Fury Green Ranger. I haven't watched that one much, so I'm pretty sure that's what that one was called. Next up, my daughter, she picked the original Yellow Ranger from Mighty Morphin Power Rangers, and these are pretty good size. And then I gotta make sure that I got the original Green Ranger. And then, last but not least, we have the Lord Draken, which I thought was a pretty awesome helmet. So that'd be nice if it on one of the vests. So we got those patches there. Definitely would refer him and have you guys check him out. He's pretty quick at getting back to you as far as customer service goes and everything. Really easy to work with. Makes a lot of cool stuff. I think he was playing around with the idea of getting into anime patches also. So that'll be probably some new stuff he'll be adding to his line. And again, it's K20 Customs. That's on Etsy, that's on Instagram, and I believe he also has a TikTok, that's what it was. But I'll make sure to post all the links below like I usually do in the description, so you guys can find him easier, check out his stuff, and yeah, hopefully you guys enjoy. He makes really good quality patches, and as you can see, like, I mean, they're pretty good size. So I mean, they're not small patches by any means. They're pretty decent size patches, so that's pretty cool. And he doesn't just do like Mighty Morphin or like stuff like that. He does a lot of the different Power Ranger genres, I guess you could say, or a lot of the different Power Ranger seasons and whatnot. So I mean, he's got stuff that he can do like Zeo, he can do Turbo, all kinds of stuff on there. So he's got a whole list of stuff that you can pick from. So it was pretty cool. My kids are pretty excited, pretty pumped about it. So it'd be nice to throw these on the vest and everything. Definitely recommend checking them out. It's definitely worth it, and you know, hopefully you guys enjoy the video, and be sure to check out more by K20Customs, and be sure to subscribe to my page and check out the other videos. And we have more coming up now that summer is finally coming. The snow's melting and everything, so we can get back on the bike and start making more motorcycle content, which will be nice. So yeah, just stay tuned, check out my YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe, check out, I'm on TikTok now, you can check that out as well. Instagram, Facebook, search Bat Tatted Sickle Rider and I'll pop up on all of them. Same name, same logo and everything like that. So yeah, just tag along and follow so you guys don't miss any content coming out. Hope you guys have a good one. Be sure to stay tuned and we'll see you next time.